Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, something very simple. What we're going to be diving into is I do have a pair of the 2024 military blues. Got lucky to come across an early pair, had a few sizes, sold my 10.5, but this is just a size 9. Might end up keeping this one, and the build for these, for anybody curious, is very similar to this pair right here, the Jordan 4 SB. So we're going to get into it, kind of, compare, contrast, show some of the differences. I do have a pair of the 2012 military blues, so I'll definitely make sure to pull that out during this video so we can kind of, compare those as well. And yeah, that'll really be it. So if y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. I'm always doing videos like this, trying to bring y'all stuff early, on-feet videos, sell or hold, whatever, anything to do kind of in the resale space or sneaker space, I'm going to be talking about it. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and we're trying to 200 likes on this video. I might have already said that, so if I did, I'll cut that out. But if y'all also want to, you can check us out down below at HYPELABS. You can see on the screen some of the undermarket kicks we did last night. Dropped a ton of undermarket SBs right there. So if that's what you're into, just join that waitlist down below, and you'll get access to items like that every single day. Because I got more dropping tonight, some fire items, more SBs. So don't miss out on that. But let's dive into this pair right here, because man, y'all, these are heat, and this is definitely going to be one of those shoes that at first, people might sleep in it, but once people get their pairs in hand, notice how similar it is to the SB4. I think the hype's going to build, and then prices might shoot up a little bit, especially in those big sizes. But hope y'all will enjoy. Let's dive into this review right here. I'm gonna grab my 2012 military blues, so one sec. Alright, so just grab the 2012 military blues, and we'll kind of compare and contrast. Shout out Stadium Goods, yeah, because I consigned these with them, and they actually literally told me they let people try it on and wear them, and then they had the audacity to not DM me, but email me back saying, oh yeah, they're still brand new, you can sell them as that. No, I can't. Why would I tell people that something's brand new if people have been trying it on and walking around in it and wearing it around? And they also returned it to me separated. These were not separated when I sent it to them. And I know people will tell me, oh, it could be aging, it could be that. Bro, they were not separated in, the long time I'd had them. And then all of a sudden in the 2 months I sent them to them, they become separated and people have been wearing them. Yeah, never will consign my Stadium Goods again. They suck. But aside from that, I don't know why I put these away. I kind of want to show y'all some of the differences we got between the 2012 military blues and the 2024 pair that we got right here. Since it's been 12 years, so it's been, a pretty long time since we've seen these. Yeah, I had to get out. So here we go. And let me just show y'all the difference. So the 2012 military blues, as I was telling some people in my YouTube comments, they are brighter. And I will prove that right now. So as you guys can see, the difference in the blues, just so you guys can see, brighter on the 2012 pair. I actually honestly like the blue on the 2012 pair a lot more, man. If they had gone with that, kind of same colorway of blue, right? Not like as dark, right? Just a little bit brighter. I think these would have been a little bit more of a hit. I'm not saying it's a miss though, and I'm going to show y'all why I'm rocking with these. So you still got that old Jordan 4 build on the 2012 pair, excuse me. You can see kind of that old build, not like the SB4, kind of what I'm trying to point out right there. But aside from that, let me put those right back there. We'll get those back out in a second. So getting into the 2024 pair, as you guys can see, darker blue. There's the sole for them. Got the Nike Air on the back, which this one, 2012 pair, we do not have that. As you guys can see, we just kind of got, you can see the differences, right? So there you go. Overall, just basic, kind of knowledge. 2012 pair is brighter. That's really one of the main differences. It's brighter and it doesn't have the SB4 build. Let me kind of show y'all what I'm talking about, since I don't want that, kind of be confusing. Some of y'all probably, ask me, what are you talking about by the SB4 build? So for the 2024 pair, you can see we got it kind of this, gray, suede, almost a suede material. Yeah, it looks like that. Going around the toe box, right? That's the exact same thing we got in the SB Jordan 4. But also, one of the main things I want to mention, you notice how the SB Jordan 4 has that puffy tongue, a lot of pattern going around the ankle and heel. It's the exact same thing that we got going on with the 2024 pair. We got a lot of pattern going on around the ankle and the heel. Also got that same puffy tongue. Sorry if this looks weird. I got them laced a little tight here. I have not put them on, but this is my personal size. I got a 7, 7.5, and 9 left in the 2024. So if anybody's interested, let me know. And if anybody wants my size 10 military blues 2012 pair, let me know, because I can't keep them forever. But yeah, Stadium Goods did me dirty on that. So, I don't know how I'm going to get my kid back there. But I guess, I can just let people know. Probably to avoid sending shoes there. But overall, very similar to these right here. I mean, you had the Nike SB on the SB Jordan 4. Got the Nike Air on the military blues. Overall, it's pretty cool. And you can see kind of what they decided to do instead of going kind of with that military blue shade, they kind of decided, you notice how this kind of like green and blue, it's obviously not the same color, but it's almost like the same shade or tint. You notice that? They didn't decide to go off, kind of the OG military blue kind of shade or tint, right? They decided to go off the SB Jordan 4 tint, and you can see that right here. Very, very similar. I mean, this, it's basically just, you can see it's like almost kind of the same tone, but obviously two different colors. If you understand what I'm saying, but maybe you can kind of understand that. Just they didn't go off the 2012 blue, which again, that's a personal preference and thing I wish they did, but I mean, it's not going to like ruin the shoe. If you think people are skipping on these, you are mistaken, my brother. That's all I have to say. And here's, of course, let me show you all some up close details. We got the Flight logo right there. Insoles, also want to show you all these. We got the Nike Air. Might not show, but again, y'all can see how puffy that tongue is. I mean, these are gonna be comfy as hell. Like this is my personal size, so I've been thinking about putting these on a lot, because I love the SB Jordan 4s, and this is basically just a blue version of those. So I'm like, all right, like, I'm just gonna have to wait, because as we get closer to drop day, prices will probably be a bit more reasonable depending on stock numbers. But I have heard some early rumors that these are going to be more limited than the Bread Reimagines. Bread Reimagines, obviously there wasn't a shortage of those if you entered for most raffles, or I feel like at local foot site locations like Foot Locker, Finish Line, stuff like that, you'll probably end up getting a pair, whether it's a grade school size or grade school size or a men's size. You'll probably end up getting something. But with these, if they end up being a little bit more limited, these will be a lot harder to get, just because they're built like the SB Jordan 4. And I feel like once more people figure that out, they're gonna be like, oh, it's just blue SB Jordan 4s, and people are gonna price these up like crazy. Because I mean, y'all already know size 13 and these are like $700. And I bought my personal size in time, because they just keep going up. So I'm definitely gonna try and buy one sooner or later, just throw away in the vault. Because I already got my personal one, but one like brand new one, just because SB Jordan 4s, that's just such a safe bet. I mean, those are going to rise when these come out probably. But, these are also going to be an amazing bet. I've shown y'all most of, what I need to right here. Also want to show y'all kind of the tag that we got. For anybody asking, I got kind of this, like, plastic, I got this attached. But I have the, like, metal bead. Let me take that out, this insole. But I have that, right here for this tag. So it's going to come with that, kind of like the Bread Reimagines, where it has the plastic tag. This one's just going to be orange. And, this is going to be attached with it. But that's pretty much what I need to mention about the 2024 military blues, man. These are too clean. I mean, just considering that they based it off the SB Jordan 4s, and they actually did a good job. It's not like terribly built. QC is okay, it's not like amazing, obviously, but I mean, they could definitely do better. With some of these early pairs, QC is not the best, but that's kind of how you have to end up getting them sometimes. But you can see, still such a clean sneaker. I'm looking forward to it. And honestly, this is one of those ones that, the sole also just another great detail. You can see the white, the gray, kind of the darker blue, hang tag. It's a cool, nice touch. Kind of a little bit similar to the OG one. OG one wasn't plastic though, I believe, if I'm correct on that. I have it right here, so I can... Why don't I just check? Yeah, here's the OG hang tags. Y'all can see it's a lot different. It's not plastic, but that's pretty much just what I wanted to show y'all about. Again, 2012 military blues, kind of how it is similar to the 2024 pair. Y'all can see two different shades of blue. That's just kind of one of the main things I want to mention. That's what Nike decided to do. I'm guessing that's what they're going with. Kind of based off more of that SB Jordan 4 shade, not the same color, but same shade. If you kind of understood what I was saying there, but still, I wish they went off the 2012 blue shade. That would have been nice. But you can't get everything. People wanted the SB Jordan 4 build. We got that. That's progress, you know what I mean? That's already something, and we're already getting a pair that, retroed last 12 years ago, so it's cool to finally see it returning. I know there's been some people that don't actually like these, which I understand completely. Like, again, you don't gotta like every shoe, and I can, get why, some people may not like these. Very, very basic shoe, but for most, this is a classic, and I feel like most of us will be going for these, me included. Can't miss out on retail pairs. Just wanted to show y'all a quick little early one that we got right here, man. If anybody's interested, I got 7, 7.5, and a size 9 left. Have some bigger ones in next week. Just make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram. I'll pop that up down below so y'all can check that out. I'll have some content coming out today. Forgot to post yesterday, so that was my fault, but your boy's gonna do it early today, so we're not gonna be forgetting that. And yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking, man. These are It's literally, when I tell you it's just a blue SB Jordan 4, y'all will see. You will see. It's literally just blue version of these. Swear. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of similarities. Maybe you can tell, but it's exactly like how people were, doing those mock-ups. But it's not an SB Jordan 4. It's a they're not calling it that, but they're using the same build. So that's pretty much what I can say. If y'all want more content, subscribe and like down below. Just trying to like 200 likes on this video. Already shouted out all the socials down below. Y'all can check me out there for other stuff I'll post, sneakers for sale. Anybody interested in some military blues, just let me know, man. I got some a bit early right here. No box at the moment, but I got my 2012 pair. If anybody's interested in that, let me know. Also, and that'll be it. Some tea. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you on the next video. Your boy has to write an essay today, so I'm going to do that right now. Peace.